and slowly stand inside the fabric. Join your sole of the feet together. The arms inside, body moving inside. Good. Now slowly bend the knees outer side, seated inside. Good. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. The legs is outer side, behind. Elise, your legs is outer side, not inside. Join your fabric, standing inside the fabric, fabric together. Just come, get out of the fabric. Yes. Are you okay? Good. Now slowly join your palms in front of the chest, arms inside. Good. Join your palms in front of the chest, palms to palm prayer. Breathe. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale. Now slowly get ready and with control and slowly drop the head. Don't hit the floor. Make sure the height is okay. Good. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Try. Okay, just join your palms in front of the chest, palms to palm prayer posture. Good. Now slowly put your palms resting on the knee. Good. Breathe. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, and slowly release the arms, interlace your fingers behind. Open your chest. Good. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now cast the fabric behind, just body flat, head up, look forward. Good. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and slowly walk your arms inside, stand inside the fabric. Now rise your right leg up, down. Now move your fabric towards your waist, rise the right leg up, drop the legs over behind. Breathe. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, inhale, and slowly drop. Change your legs and put your left leg, rise your left leg up. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, and inhale, rise your left leg up, drop the legs behind. Breathe. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Once again, put your both legs inside the fabric, bend the knees outer side, and drop the arms, head down. Good. Take a deep breath. Now clasp your opposite elbows over the head. Twist your body to the right side, moving to the left, moving to the right, moving to the left, moving to the right, moving to the left, moving to the right, moving to the left. Good. And slowly once again walk your arms behind and climb up. Now slowly release your one leg outside. Now extend your right knee and bend the knees towards the heels. Extend or bend. Now just fold forward. Breathe. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, and slowly once again arms rise up. Now change your legs. Good. Extend your right legs and bend the knees. Extend bend the knees, and just arms rise up, fold forward. Breathe. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale.